Hey guys, so we just went to the Hot Wheels Museum in Flint, Michigan. Come check it out with us.
You did good. Keep trying again. Go try again. You were almost there. Here. Just like you were doing right there. Woo!
So inside the museum was so many fun eclectic components, and we headed over to the Pick Challenge next.
You guys are failing the Pick Challenge.
Come on, Jackie.
Is it green yet? Woo! Gaga!
Here's a few more highlights of interactive activities they had at the museum. They also had classical cars on display, so we walked over and saw those. There was a whole third part of the museum that was focused on dynamic play, but honestly, that can be a whole nother video because it was just such an incredible experience. We really would rate it 8 out of 10. I didn't love the location, but they are in the middle of a large expansion. There was a small gift shop too when you were exiting. It really focused on Flint and what made Flint special, and just to see the community coming together was so incredible. And don't worry guys, Jack came home with multiple Hot Wheels. Subscribe for more daily Kids in Chaos.